That's the difference between watching other people print money and becoming the printer yourself. Between refreshing charts, hoping for a miracle, and being the reason those charts move. I'm Wolver, and I'm about to take you inside a live execution. No fluff, no theory, just the exact blueprint that turns an empty browser tab into a token, doing $5,000 days from your couch. Here's the shortcut if you want it right now. Telegram links in the description. One message. I hand you the contract that's printing $5,000 days as you read this. You keep every dollar. No learning curve, no trial and error, just execution. Or stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to build it yourself, so you never need to rely on anyone again. Step 1. Enter the war room. Open your browser, type remix.ethereum.org. Yeah, this is the same environment Uniswap was built on. Looks intimidating? Good. That means it's powerful enough to handle whatever you're about to create. Most people open this page, see the interface, and immediately close it. That's exactly why my Telegram exists, because most people quit at the first sign of friction. I do this for a living, so you don't have to figure it out alone. Left side of the screen, find File Explorer. Click Create New File. Blank page. Right here, in this empty space, financial instruments are born. What you name this file will live forever on-chain. Immutable, public, undeniable. Type vanguard.sol or your own name. Hit enter. See that .sol extension? That means solidity. You just stopped being a spectator. You're now a builder. Step 2. The alchemy. Find the S icon on the left. That's your Solidity compiler. Top drop-down menu. Compiler version. One mismatch here equals failed transaction equals burned gas equals money evaporated into the blockchain ether. This single mistake has cost beginners thousands of dollars. Don't be a statistic. Set it to 0.8.2. This is industry standard. This is what works. Click Compile Vanguard.sol. Watch for the green check mark. That green light means your idea just transformed into bytecode. The network sees you now. You're on the radar. Step 3. Point of no return. Click on Deploy and Run Transactions. It's the Ethereum logo under the S icon. Environment drop-down, select Injected Provider. Your MetaMask pops up. Connect your wallet. 5 steps in. Wallet linked. You're armed. Now you'll see 4 inputs. These determine your token's DNA. Name. This is your empire's title. Make it land. Make it memorable. This is what people will type into scanners. Symbol. 3 letters. Aggressive, sticky. Think VNG, APX, KNG. Short enough to trend on Twitter. Supply. You're the central bank now. 1 million, 1 billion. You control scarcity. You decide the economics. Decimals. 18. Always 18. This is non-negotiable in DeFi. One wrong number here, and your token launches crippled, unable to trade on major exchanges. Critical warning. Here's what nobody tells you about deployment. The blockchain is a glass box with no delete key, no undo button, no customer support. One exploit in your code, one forgotten liquidity lock, one overlooked vulnerability. And your liquidity walks, permanently, irreversibly. This is exactly why I exist. This is why I sell bulletproof contracts, pre-audited, pre-war, battle-tested on mainnet. Telegram link is below. Solo builders die here, every single time. If you're auditing your own code right now, you're not building, you're gambling, and the house always wins. Step 4. Launch. Wallet funded, compiler locked, contract selected. Gas fee ready. You need ETH for fuel. Everything green. Hit deploy. MetaMask pops up again. Gas estimate. Confirm. This right here is the filter. Consumers hesitate. Owners execute. Click confirm. Watch the console. A hash appears. 20 seconds. Your token is live. Permanent. Public. Unruggable if you did it right. You're no longer chasing alpha. You are alpha. Step 5. Claim your creation. Scroll down to deployed contracts. Find your contract. Copy that long string starting with 0x. Open MetaMask. Click Import Tokens. Paste that address. Add token. Confirm. Look at your wallet. That's your ticker, your supply, your name on the blockchain. You just built wealth from 0 lines of code. But here's the unfiltered truth. A token with no liquidity is just a screenshot to post on Twitter. A token with no community is a flex with no follow-through. A token with no strategy is a parked car with the engine running. Looks active, going nowhere. Deployment is just the warm-up lap. The real game? Liquidity that actually holds. Launch mechanics that filter out bots before they dump on your holders. Narrative architecture that makes people need your ticker in their portfolio. This is my Telegram. I don't drop contracts. I drop complete money systems. The link is live below. 95% of projects never leave the driveway. Contract live, chart empty. No plan, no momentum, no exit liquidity. I provide the missing stack: pool strategy, volume triggers, entry architecture, and the exact formula that pushed my guys from 0 to 5 figures daily. Right now, my Telegram DMs are full of people doing $5,000 to $10,000 daily. You're still reading this. Your move. Done watching. Ready to stop refreshing other people's charts and start owning something that actually moves? Telegram. One word. Deploy. I build. You bank. 6 minutes ago, you were refreshing Twitter, waiting on random devs to bless you with a good entry. Now you own the contract address. Now you are the dev. The tools are free. The execution is mine. Copy this blueprint, or let me run it for you. Either way, the gate's open and the engine's hot. Build, or watch me build for you. Link below. Go.